This video is to introduce you to the equation editor in WAMAP when you're entering answers. Right now I'm just in a quiz with a random question here. And the main thing I want to show you is that when you click on this answer box, a whole list of things comes up. And part of the reason for this is just to give you a way to click, especially if you're on your phone. It helps a little bit to just be able to click different things like a fraction bar, and then you can type in, say, like a 6 over 8 or 6 over x, or whatever you want to type in that fraction. It also allows you to go back and forth with the arrows. If you want to go up or down, left or right, you can put in different things on there. So if I want x times z, or just to go back and put in a 5 at the beginning, that will allow me to do that. I'm going to go ahead and erase all of that right now. So these are the basic, like, fractions, exponents. So if I wanted to put in 6 and then click this exponent key, notice it kind of shifts the cursor up a little bit, and now I can put a 5, and right there it's going to allow that exponent entry. Now to get out of the exponent, you'll either use the down key or the right key. Either one will work to get out of that exponent, and then you can put in something else. So now if I type my x, it's no longer in the exponent. There's also functions like logs and this e. Trig functions, if you're in, say, 97, 98, 99, you're not going to need any of those. You're just going to need the basic functions that are right here. You'll see parentheses, absolute value, pi symbol, infinity, d and e, which stands for does not exist. Also the square root and other types of roots like cube root, fourth root with that one. This one will allow subscripts if you happen to need a subscript. Most of the time we're just going to be dealing with probably these over here, the fractions, exponents, and parentheses. So if I wanted to answer this question, say I could put in like 42 and then z, and then I'm going to click the exponent button, and I believe the correct answer here is going to be a 9. And after that, I can go ahead and just click off of that and then hit submit. It tells me I got 10 out of 10 on that one. I'm going to hit retry just to show you one other thing. Now, if you don't happen to want to always use the menu that's right here, you can go over here on the right, and there's this little square root symbol that's green. Go ahead and click that, and it will disable the equation editor. So now when you click in, it'll just allow you to type. So I could type in on this one, say 20, and then y, and then the exponent will be this little hat or caret symbol right here, and then this one should be 14. And I'll give you a preview over here on the side of what it is, just so you can double check to make sure it's supposed to be like you want it, and then submit the question that way. So either way, whatever your preference is, either just strictly typing it in or using the equation editor, either one will work. If I submit it here, that's fine. Gonna go ahead and retry that one again. Even with the equation editor on, you can type it. It's just not going to show you what you type. So if I type 18z and then the little caret symbol, it'll just put the exponent without actually typing the little hat. And then you can just type whatever needs to go in there. So put a 13 right there. So you can type either way. Just if you like seeing what you're typing in without the formatting, then you can disable the equation editor up here in the right hand corner. Just let me know if you got any questions about it. but that is the basic equation editor for the quizzes.